Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, Poppy, caffeine and BS for November 30th, 2019. It is raining. Great big fat, almost freezing cold drops of rain. I wonder how long it's gonna last. Not long enough to get rid of our drought, obviously. Probably just long enough to make the weeds and the brush grow nice and lush and dry up just in time for some idiot to throw a cigarette butt out the car window. Wednesday morning, while I was at Emma's live stream, I learned that a volunteer fireman in New South Wales was arrested for setting fires. I commented that it's a sick world. I begin to think Chickadee is right. People are monsters. Later.